Okay, hello guys. So actually my webcam is sticked in the laptop, so cannot bring this back. So I better put it down. These are my gloves. But actually this isn't a yo-yo gloves. This is my yo-yo glove. See this? This is my yo-yo glove. Okay. Wait a minute. This is my yo-yo glove. Okay. This is my yo-yo glove. My yo-yo glove. Okay. Wait. I bought a yo-yo. It's free yo-yo glove. Well, it's one. But when I buy one more yo-yo, it has free yo-yo glove again. So I have two, and it's so beautiful to wear. Wait, I need to wear this. I need to wear this. Now, I have it. Time to bring it down. This is for wiping my yo-yo if they are dirty or what. Rusted. Use this. Now let's see. Maybe you'll be surprised with this. I'm going to flip. Okay. See this? Okay, this one is a fake yo-yo, and this one is a fake yo-yo too. These four are my originals. This is an empty slot. See these two. So I needed to buy more yo-yo. Okay, these are empty. These are fakes. Now there are empty two slots, and then these are all my original yo-yo. First one is this, my favorite yo-yo, Lone Wolf. This is my first yo-yo. This is my first yo-yo, Sonic Storm. Oops. Wait a minute. Okay. This is my Nemesis. Oops. This is my Nemesis. And this is my Centaurus yo-yo. Then this is my Nemesis. Oops. I tried it again. Okay. Now, these are my color strings. Oops, you can see it really. Wait. I think you cannot see it, right? There. It's not clear, okay? Here are yellow and orange. Now, yellow and orange. This one, I use the color white one, so the left is color green string. And this is my plan. Wait. This is the paper of your collection. See their names? It's really nice. See that? But I need to go buy that all. But I think there's a possibility. It's really too many. And it costs a bit. Oops, wait. I need to fix. Okay. This is it. I just need these two more original. I'm just going to place these fake yo-yos again. These four yo-yos these four, one, two, three, four, are Blazing Teens 3 yo-yos. That's it. Blazing Teens 3. It's really nice. Okay, now I'm going to return back this handkerchief for cover. Wait, I'm going to fold it. It's too long. It's too long. Okay. Now putting the yo-yo glove again, and then the wipes. Then I'm going to take off my yo-yo glove. Take it off, and then put it in this plastic. Wait a minute. Okay, now that's it. Oh, I need to put it there. Now close it. See? 8 GB. Okay, now thanks for watching.